Hello everyone! This simple bar of soap has another use that many people do not know about. When mixed the right way, it becomes a powerful cleaning compound that can help you save thousands of dollars each year on repairs and maintenance. Today, you will see how this works step by step. To begin, shave the soap into small pieces so it dissolves more easily in the mixture. Place the soap flakes into a cup. Add a spoonful of baking soda. Baking soda acts as a mild abrasive that helps remove oxidation from plastic surfaces. Next, pour a small amount of Coca-Cola into the cup. The mild acidity in the soda helps break down residue and soften the damaged outer layer of the headlight. Set the remaining Coca-Cola aside and pour it into a spray bottle. This spray will keep the surface wet during sanding. Moisture reduces friction and helps carry away fine plastic dust while working. Tell me what part of the country you're watching from. I read every comment. Return to the cup and stir the mixture thoroughly. Use a wooden stick and blend until the soap dissolves and the mixture becomes slightly thick and smooth. This solution will help loosen the yellow layer that forms on the headlight lens. Once the mixture is fully stirred and smooth, it is time to see whether it truly works. Place the headlight inside a shallow tray to catch any liquid. Take a strip of tape and apply it across the center of the lens. This tape divides the surface into two halves. The division allows a clear comparison between untreated and restored areas later. Use a small brush to spread the cleaning mixture across the headlight surface. Cover the plastic evenly. This is a very important step. Make sure the mixture spreads across the entire surface so every area is fully covered before moving to the next stage. Once the lens is coated, place a dry cloth over the surface. Spray Coca-Cola onto the cloth until it becomes damp. Leave the cloth in place for about 15 minutes. During this time, the solution softens oxidation and prepares the surface for sanding. After waiting, remove the cloth and spray a light layer of Coca-Cola directly onto the lens. Take a sheet of 1000 grit sandpaper and begin sanding the surface. Move your hand slowly and apply steady pressure. Work across the entire headlight in overlapping strokes. Do not rush. The goal is to remove the damaged layer gradually. Once the sanding pass is complete, rinse the headlight with clean water. The water washes away plastic dust and reveals the progress clearly. At this stage, the yellow color should already appear lighter. Apply another thin layer of the cleaning mixture to the surface. Now switch to 1500 grit sandpaper. This finer abrasive smooths the plastic further and removes scratches left by the previous step. Sand the lens carefully while keeping the surface slightly wet. Controlled movement produces a more uniform finish. Rinse the headlight again with water and wipe the surface dry with a paper towel. The lens should now appear clearer and more uniform. The heavy yellow film should be nearly gone. Next, spray Coca-Cola once more across the headlight surface. Take a piece of 2000 grit sandpaper and begin the final sanding stage. This step focuses on refining the plastic surface and eliminating micro scratches. Keep the headlight moist and move the sandpaper gently in consistent strokes. After sanding, rinse the headlight with clean water. Observe the surface carefully. The yellow oxidation should now be completely removed. The plastic may still look slightly hazy, but the clarity has greatly improved. To restore full transparency, apply a thin protective coating using a simple vapor method. Begin by preparing the coating solution. Pour acetone into the cup slowly. Take a small piece of styrofoam and place it into a cup. The foam will dissolve and form a clear liquid resin. This solution will create a new protective layer on the headlight. Use a wooden stick to stir the mixture thoroughly. At this stage, the mixture becomes slightly thick, yet it still stays fluid enough to allow gentle evaporation. Next, pour the liquid into an empty soda can. You do not need to fill the can. A small amount is enough. Cover the opening with aluminum foil and seal the edges tightly. Seal the foil tightly with tape to keep the heat inside the can and prevent vapor from escaping through any other gaps. Insert a plastic straw through the foil and secure it using strong tape. The straw will guide the vapor toward the headlight surface. Work in a well-ventilated area and avoid breathing the fumes. Place the soda can on a stable surface. Light a candle and hold the flame beneath the bottom of the can. The gentle heat warms the liquid inside. As the acetone vapor forms, it travels through the straw and exits at the tip. Bring the straw close to the headlight lens and move it slowly across the plastic surface. The vapor touches the plastic and softens the outer layer slightly. As the surface reflows, it becomes smooth and glossy again. Continue guiding the vapor evenly from one side of the headlight to the other. Work patiently and keep the straw moving. Now step back and examine the result. The once yellow and cloudy headlight now looks bright and clear. The sanding process removed oxidation, and the vapor coating restored the plastic finish. Simple techniques like this can save a large amount of money while extending the life of vehicle parts. If this restoration method helped you, share your experience in the comments. Subscribe for more practical workshop projects that restore tools and equipment. Turn on notifications so you never miss the next repair idea.